forever. So, like,
See, I wanted
2 years old. So, yeah.
I started when I was 18. I bought a car. My father said, well, I don't know how to do those things. So a friend of mine, who was kind of like my gay dad.
Your dad? We'll call him your dad.
Yeah. Decided that, well, you're going to need to learn how to do this stuff because, well, your father sucks. Which, you're not telling me anything I don't already know. So we learned how to do it. And I've been working on cars for 30... Okay, over 3 decades. Don't ask my real age, I'll lie.
Well, I'll be 40 next year.
Oh, I've got you by a long...
I've been in the garage since '86.
My
'84.
youngest child is 31.
Yeah. That's okay. Age is a number. I feel 92.
No. My youngest biological child is 31.
Yeah.
He used to play Mario Kart with Andre and beat his ass.
Ah!
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I don't even want to know what the rest of the shit is going on in your car. I'm like, when's the last time you had the oil change? She goes, I don't know, a couple miles ago. And I go, when was that?
The spark plugs are actually been really clean.
Yeah. The first one's done.
Engine's running nice and smooth. No
Did you put a new one in already?
Yes, I did.
I didn't look at the new one.
Oh, well, we got 3 more to do, so...
If anybody ever tells you that you can tune up your car every 100,000 miles, take a hammer and smash it in the...
I need a bud base.
Lollipop.
Because it is a complete utter...
Oh, God.
It's a
I have that video.
Don't ever believe that. But I guarantee you, when you pull those plugs out...
Yeah.
It's really easy.
All right, that's
All the innuendos. Or out innuendos. Depends on if you're a pitcher or a catcher.
Pants, that's what old people wear for underwear.
If you had oral sex with a 90-year-old woman, what would it taste like?
The easiest way to look at it, depending on how hard you try.
Oh, God, Andre.
You beat the snot out of it, give it a tune-up nature.
Yes.
Everything.
Well, aren't you gonna rebuttal and then
No.
smells like
Smells like trout.
get the fuck out.
50,000 miles on a car in a year, it should get a tune-up about every 25 to 30.
She was like, SDS, that's so disgusting.
Coil pack number 2's out. I'm just calling it number 2 because I'm working from this way. It might be 3. Who cares? There you go.
Okay, Jesus, which one? When you
And
almost
now,
killed me?
I'm going to pull the plug. We
We
go
went
fishing.
to the Atlanta car show.
We go fishing.
Went for a ride in his 2003 800 rear-wheel horsepower Corvette in the back of the convention center, and we were going 90 and a 20 with cars, and I was like,
Fishing.
I'm gonna die! And I still went on a second date, which I think was a junkyard.
You went to the junkyard on your second date?
Yes!
That's awesome.
Yes. We were looking for relays for the back truck.
Yeah.
That sounds like. Did you stop getting
This is not bad.
Yeah, that sounds like a perfect day.
Well, his back truck had the seat that was air ride, and it would keep blowing relays. So we would just go in and grab all the relays out of the Saturns. You know, when Saturns were still in junk.
Yes.
And there is your plug. Not bad. Not bad. It's got a little bit of schmutz on the end. You can see it.
Now, doesn't the white mean it goes hot?
Sometimes. It's not bad. But there's a little schmutz right there on the electrode, but it's fine. Not bad. Pop goes the weasel, and the weasel goes pop. Who sings that? Anybody?
What?
Pop goes the weasel, and the weasel goes pop.
NWA.
No. Right genre. Probably the wrong coast. Please, God, no.
Eminem.
When you see people with all those Juggalo stickers on their car,
me the new
you
plug.
avoid those people.
No,
They
take
are
the whole.
very...
Take it out.
Your gigolo.
Where's the Mercedes-Benz logo?
These are NGKs, which is where Mercedes buys them, and then they stamp the logo on and charge you 3 times as much.
Where the beaver lives.
Maybe 7.
Think about the poor guy with the small stamp pad.
The guy that has to stamp them. He's in charge of parts markup at Mercedes.
Undoubtedly.
I don't even think it's on here. These are all like kid songs.
Pop goes the weasel, and the weasel goes pop.
Yeah,
You got to put it in like that.
It's Ice Cube or something. I don't
No.
You got to give it
it's,
more attitude when you're typing. Come on, you know better.
You got to misspell it.
Yeah. Pop is a P-O-P, duh, D-A, weasel, W-E-Z-E-L. Pop the weasel. Oh, and you gotta go, oh.
Every time he does that, I can't. That never gets
all
old.
children's shit.
We are all
Because we
children.
can tell you
But I
we look
mean, like-
good on
like
top of your
toddler
head.
stuff.
Oh.
Who did that song?
Am I making up songs that don't exist? That
Probably.
we think exist? But we've all heard it.
Is that kind of like, what do you want me to do? It don't matter, just don't buy it. She swallowed it.
Bitch took the hoy! Right? That comes out?
Can't make a hole out of a housewife. Hoes don't act right.
I love Ludacris.
Why do you think you take a hoe to a hotel?
Oh my god.
Decided I'm going to mention that.
We just get way down the rabbit hole.
Base? Bye.
Bye, bitch!
You look like Duck Man. Chris remembers that. Go back to that. Chris remembers this.
Yeah, that's definitely.
Well, did you paint this differently and this differently and this differently?
Well, yeah,